Welcome to all. In this video, we will see virus-free plant production through meristem tip culture. We know meristems are free from virus, and it is due to the following four main reasons. The first one is the meristem tip is devoid of vascular system through which the virus enter into the plant cells or plant bodies. In addition, the cell-to-cell movement through the plasma desmata is too slow in the growing tip since they are rapidly dividing and rapid metabolic activities are there in the meristem cells. The second is they have very high metabolic activities due to their active divisions, and it does not allow virus to replication since the cells are compete each other for the nutrients and available resources. Third reason is the virus inactivating systems in the plant body has higher in the meristem region than any other part of the plants. And fourth one is the meristem region contains high amount of endogenous auxin levels, and that may inhibit the virus multiplication and virus proliferation as well as virus activities. So due to these four reasons, the meristems are free from the virus. So if we go for in vitro culture of meristem explant, we can possibly get virus free plants. Coming to meristem, often three terms are interchanged with each other. One is meristem, and another one is meristem tip, and another one is shoot tip. So now we will briefly see the subtle difference between these three terms. The term meristem is strictly the apical dome, otherwise called as meristematic dome. That means it will not include any primordial leaves. Usually its size is very smaller. We need a dissection microscope help to excise the meristem. Usually it is 0.1 to 0.25 millimeter in size. The second term is meristem tip. The meristem tip comprise of meristem, that means apical dome, with one or two primordial leaves, and the size is little bit larger than the meristem. Usually it is around 0.1 to 0.5 millimeter in size. And the third term is shoot tip. The shoot tip refers to a apical tip of the plants. That means it includes the meristem and additional primordial leaves. The primordial leaves three or more, and generally larger size than meristem and meristem tip, 1 to 3 centimeter. So in general, culturing shoot tip is easier for explant processing, whereas culturing meristem is need highly tech skill, but the possibilities of producing virus free plant is very high in the meristem than shoot tip and meristem tip culture. And in addition, during explant preparation, the process like chemotherapy and thermotherapy are included to eliminate the virus. So these things such as chemotherapy and thermotherapy of applied to meristematic apex without adjacent leaf primordia, so that will be helpful for successful production of virus free plants. So now we will see the flow chart of production of virus free plants through meristem or meristem tip culture. So we have to carefully excise the meristem or meristem tips, and we can subject to thermotherapy by keeping in 50 to 50 degrees Celsius for 10 to 30 minutes. In addition, we also incubate in ribavirin or 2-thiouracil. These are all antiviral principles. We can incubate and keep in 50 to 52 degrees Celsius for 10 to 30 minutes. May kills or inactivate the virus. After that, we go for explant processing such as surface sterilization, initially with 70% alcohol, then then incubate in 0.12% mercury chloride for 5 minutes. So once the sterilization is completed and we washed with sterile distilled water 3 to 5 times, then carefully inoculated in the laminar flow hood by following strict aseptic conditions, and the nutrient medium is prepared which are slightly modified to support the meristem cultures. And some cases we also add the antiviral principle ribavirin or 2-thiouracil in the nutrient medium to eliminate the virus. Then after some times of culturing, the microshoot is observed or indirect process callus is observed. From there, microshoot or somatic embryo will be produced. After some times, the rooting will be induced, then subject to hardening in the mist chamber followed by shade net greenhouses. Once hardening is completed, we can perform one more virus indexing, taking the sample and test for presence or absence of virus genetic material, and successful plants don't have virus is sent for the field purpose. Thank you.